Announcing the names during Friday's plenary session, Osun State House of Assembly Speaker Adewale Egbedu said he received a letter from the governor for the confirmation of the nominees in line with Sections 192, subsection 2, and Section 196, subsection 1 of the 1999 Nigerian Constitution as amended. Egbedu said a list of 25 names for the position of commissioners and other lists requesting the appointment of 25 special advisors were received from the governor. The 25 commissioner nominees include Oladoshu Babatunde, Bayo Ogunbangbe, Sheson Oyedele, Kolapo Alimi, Soji Ajegbe, Moshood Olagunju, George Alabi, Sunday Oroniyi, Abiodun Ojo, Dr. Bashiru Salami, Maruf Ayofe, and Shola Ogunbili. Others are Reverend Bomijenyo, Ayo Awolowo, Wole Jimibada, Dipo Eluwole, Rashid Aderibigbe, Professor Maruf Adeleke, ADEMOLA, Olabiyi Odunlade, Jola Akintola, Maiwa Adejorin, Adenike Adeleke, Tola Fasheru, and Gani Olaoluwa. The nominees are mandated to provide 35 copies of their curriculum vitae to the clerk of the House, Simeon Amoson, from Friday, July 7 to Tuesday, July 11, 2023, as well as declare their assets before the Code of Conduct Bureau as required by the Nigerian Constitution. A 7-man ad hoc committee to be headed by the Deputy Speaker Akinyode Oyewusi is saddled with the responsibility of preliminary screening of the nominees on Wednesday, July 12, and report back to the House thereafter.
I appeal in advance to the honorables who will be in this committee to kindly discharge their duties with fairness and a mindset turned toward the development of our dear state. The entirety of Osun people are relying on us to keep for them and ensure that persons who will serve in their both capacities are dedicated and will deliver true service.
Names of the 25 nominated special advisors will be made public in due course. In the meantime, the State of Osun Anthem crest was presented by the Majority Leader, Koforola Adewumi, for consideration into the Osun State Anthem crest. In Osogbo, Joshua Oguchide, NT News.